よいしょ。那么，我这个录here一起录梦准备大概 Hello, today I'm going to teach some more so that we can learn together. If you want to say I have breakfast, I have lunch, I have dinner. Then in Hmong we say Gu Na Chai. That means I have breakfast. In Hmong we say Gu. No means to eat, to have or to eat. And then chai means breakfast. Gu no chai, gu no chai. If you want to say I have lunch, then you can say gu no shu, gu no shu. That means I have lunch. Lunch. In Hmong we say shu, shu, gu no shu. And like if you want to say I have dinner, I have dinner. In Hmong we say gu no mo, gu no mo. Mo means dinner. So it also means night at night. Mo mo. And but if you want to say if you say gu no mo, then they know like you have lunch or you have dinner. Yeah. So that's so I'm going to say it one more time so you can repeat after me. I have breakfast. Gu no chai. Gu no chai. I have lunch. Gu no shu. Gu no shu. Uh, I have dinner. Gu no mo. Gu no mo.